All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Saturday phrasal verb. So patch up. Patch up. To repair something. I need to patch up these pipes. Yeah, the pipes need repairing. We patched up the bricks with more mortar. More mortar. The bricks were weak and we patched them right up. We're trying to patch up these old books. Yeah, these books are old and worn out. We need to patch them up together. The spine is worn. It needs sellotape. It needs strengthening up. Yeah. We have always patched things up. Yes. We need to patch things up in the relationship. Otherwise, it might fall apart. How cool is that? Yeah. I'm patching up the pipes now. So all these pipes, let's try and get a picture. Pipe, okay. There's cracks in them. We need to patch them up with glue, for example. How can we patch up the pipes? With glue, perhaps? Glue or ceramic? Yeah. Maybe we can't patch them up, so we should replace them. Replace them with a new pipe. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. They should learn how to patch things up themselves. If they can patch things up themselves, then they can be more self-sufficient. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, self-sufficient. Yeah, they can do it themselves. They can sort it out themselves. Yeah. Now, can you use patch up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.